kind of want to make an in-depth video of the Encon ceiling fan here. It's the logo. The back bedroom with the Amana window unit that I ran all night, and it runs. It seems it ran all night with. We got the compressor going, so got the compressor going on it. There, you can see the back of it. Got the compressor going on it, and it ran smooth all night. Compressor kicked on, kicked off, like it usually does when it hits the temperature mark. Sorry about that. But yeah, so it ran smooth all night with the compressor on. So yeah. Now let's go ahead and turn this fan on. Sorry about that. I had the video paused, but because now I know how to do that. So now let's go ahead and turn it on. That's high speed right there. I don't know if you can hear the motor humming, but it's relatively quiet. Which one's the light? That one. I'm gonna film it without the light for now. I'll let it run. My leg kicked that. Show you it from different angles when it ran high speed. It's a good angle right there. Alright, now let's go ahead and turn it down. Just turn the light on. Turned it down to a medium or low. Or turned it off. Nope, it's still going. I can hear the motor humming. That's either like a medium lowish thing. Let's turn the light off so it's not. Oof. Camera. Glitched out. It's still filming, so just turn it down. I think it just turned it off. Or that's either low, or I just kicked it off. Let's go watch the spin down time now, if I actually turned it off. Yeah, I turned it off. Yeah, I turned the fan off, so that's not doing anything right now. Watch the spin down time on it. It's a good angle right there. Only had a tripod with me, so. Sorry about that, I have to fix my watch. Hold on a second. There we go. It is 4:35 at the moment. And it is 86 degrees outside right now. But yeah, she stopped. Let's go ahead and turn it back on. Oh, there we go. The switch wasn't on. The wall switch, that is. Turn it back on high. Camera focus. There we go. That's high speed. I don't know if it was, I was filming it on medium, but that's high speed right there. I'm just gonna let it run. Yeah, you can see the Amana over there. Whoop. M7 LIRR. You can see, barely through the trees. She's going like 20 miles an hour. There she goes. Yeah, here's the Amana. Put up 3 videos of it last night. I put up a video of it not running, just a little in-depth tour of it. Then I put up a video of it running, then shutting off. And yeah, you guys can watch that. And then I put up a video of it running again. But yeah, it's smooth. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. But yeah, it's running on high speed right now. I don't know what exact year it is from. My guess is from either 1986 or 1984. Because it looks like it's from the 80s, the design on it, and the little 2 things on the blades. You can barely see them spinning, the ends of the blades. I'll show you once I shut it off, but I'm gonna leave it running for now because it is pretty hot in here. Yeah, just gonna film it running. On the speed. It's got a black motor matching with the color of the fan. It's all black design. Here's another M7 from the LIRR. Yeah, trying to film as much trees as I can. I put 1 video up on Twitter. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, it's Corvette617. But yeah, here's the Amana. Ran smooth. Ran real smooth last night. All night, actually. It ran from 11 p.m. to about 11:02 a.m. last night, so ran for hours and hours last night. Ran for like 24 hours, but I always use this beast when I come here. Let's take a look at the data sheet. So this video is going to be mainly about the Encon ceiling fan. This is the only one I've seen in person before. by the way, because I think they're rare, but I'm not really sure. My ceiling fan viewers, let me know if that's rare or not. And this video is also going to be about this. So let's take a look at the data sheet. When I was going to take a look at the data sheet, when it was running, it shut off. You guys can watch that video if you guys want. Yeah. If you hear something, it's just the Encon humming. Or a plane. Yeah, made in China, as you can see. Alright, model number is ACB065R. Serial number is 0010554500. It is 6,000 BTUs. 620 watts. Refrigerant charge R22. And it pulls 5 point something amps. I can't really tell how much amps it pulls because it's taped from the window. Yeah, room air conditioner, as you can see. And I believe it's from 2006 or 2009. I'm not sure if it's from 2009 or 2006 because if it was from 2005 or earlier, it wouldn't, let's turn this on, it wouldn't have this.